Hey there, wonderful community. I'm Dr. Liza, and I'm absolutely delighted to welcome you back. Here, we celebrate vibrant living, no matter our age. Today, I'm especially excited to share something close to my heart: how to rejuvenate your energy and embrace a thriving, passionate life in your 60s and beyond. If you've ever felt your spark dimming or wondered how to reignite that joyful excitement for life, you're in exactly the right place. Aging isn't an ending, it's a beautiful, unfolding journey, and I'm here to help you live it with intention, vitality, and purpose. So before we dive in, drop a comment telling me where you're tuning in from. I love seeing our global community grow. If this message warms your heart, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. It means the world to me and helps us spread more positivity. Now, let's get real about your 60s. It can be your renaissance. Maybe mornings feel slower or intimacy less spontaneous, but that's okay, because today I'm revealing 3 powerful vitamins, D, B12, and E, that are science-backed tools to help you reconnect with your energy, mood, and passion. But first, I want to know, what's one change you've noticed in your energy or wellness? Share below. Your story might inspire someone else. Let's do this together.